Hello, my name's Washboardjim. I'm the founder of the Sneaky Snake Trading Strategy, where I talk about chart patterns, moving averages, and being in the now. And here's a simple trade I just want to lay out for you. I'm all about buying at support and selling at resistance. So right first thing yesterday morning, when I was watching the SPY, we had what you call a touch on the 50 SMA and then a rebound. So this is called a double bottom off the 50 SMA, which is a very strong indicator, led out with three white soldiers. Three white soldiers is a leading indicator that we could have a bullish run. So when I see the three white soldiers, or if I jumped in this trade, which I did, I would sell it at the third soldier, or even maybe the second soldier. It depends on how much. I'm all about the money, not about the percentage. I don't want to do the calculation of the percentage. I just want to look at the dollar amount, and if that's enough for me, I'm happy. So she went ahead and she bounced up. And usually if these are like at $1 or something, 98 cents, I'll buy 10 of them or 5 of them. But this was a leading indicator. We had what you call a symmetrical flag. It almost looked like a fallen wedge. And if you can count to 3, you can trade with me. So we had a symmetrical flag. 1, 2, wick, wick, wick. So I'm going to count that as 3 right here. Boom. Wicks are confirmation. Bodies of the candle are what I look at. And we had 3 white soldiers back down to the 21 or the 9 EMA and held the 9. There's 3 black crows, 3 white soldiers for a trade. But 3 white soldiers is a leading indicator, and I usually go ahead and scalp it and then wait for the pullback and jump back in the trade. But this was a perfect trade with called a symmetrical flag with a double bottom off the 50 SMA with 3 white soldiers, and then pulls back and hits the 21. This is my the 9 EMA. So the 50 SMA and the 9 EMA, and bounces again off the 9 EMA. Notice the hammers and the spinning tops. So that's a double bottom, and then the rest of the day was just pure breeze. Very clean chart, very clean chart. There's many a scalps you could have taken that. Them little 3 black crows all the way down. 3 black crows, 3 black crows, 3 black crows, 3 black crows, 3 black crows. But that's a good leading indicator. If you ever want to know, 3 white soldiers is definitely a leading indicator for a continuation run, but not always works. Depends on the news. You got to be in the now. I'm Washboardjim with the Sneaky Snake Trading Strategy, where I talk about chart patterns, moving averages, and being in the now. And have a great day.